Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned what LLM hallucinations are and explored their different types. We also ended with an interesting question. Why do language models hallucinate in the first place? And that's exactly what we will answer in this video. So at the end of the previous video, we discussed this simple example. So imagine two language models are asked the same question, but neither of them actually know the answer for the particular one. And model A responds with I don't know, and model B, on the other hand, confidently generates an answer even though it doesn't know whether it's correct. Surprisingly, current training methods encourage models to provide an answer instead of admitting uncertainty. As a result, they may guess instead of saying, I don't know. But this isn't the only reason behind hallucinations. Let's look at some other important causes. So, another reason could be the limitation of the training data. So, generally, models are trained on large amounts of data, but sometimes it might be that the data may be outdated or inaccurate or contains errors or biases. So, if the with the model is incomplete, the model may try to fabricate its own facts and generate incorrect responses. Also, a thing to note is that models are not up to date. So, for example, if a model is trained with data only up to 1st August, and if there is a recent change made after that particular day, which is known as cutoff date, then the model might not be aware of it and it would try to respond with incorrect facts, resulting in incorrect or outdated facts, resulting in hallucinations. Another reason could be that LLMs don't actually understand text like we humans do. They just generate the next token or the text by predicting the most likely next token. So they just form a continuation and don't really understand what they are trying to write. So they might generate a sentence which may be fluent and convincing, but it still can have incorrect information as it doesn't necessarily understand what it's trying to say or reason. So the key thing to understand here is that fluency does not actually guarantee factual accuracy. Another reason could be that the user might have written an ambiguous prompt, ambiguous, vague, or incomplete prompt. So, for example, if the user asked, tell me about Mercury, then the model doesn't understand if the user means Mercury the planet, Mercury the element, or in olden days, it was used as a messenger for gods. So, this ambiguous prompt might lead to the model making wrong assumptions and can lead to hallucination. And the last reason is that if we continue chatting with our large language model for a long time, then it's not possible for the model to remember all of the context as it's become large, and it might get confused in the facts and also might lose track of the conversation. This can result in fabricating answers which may be inconsistent or incorrect, leading to hallucination. So we have seen that LLM hallucination don't happen because of a single reason. They can occur because of training data incompletion, because of language model generating text by predicting the next token, because the prompts might be ambiguous, or because the model becomes confused in long conversations. So, if you know any other method or technique why LLMs hallucinate, let me know in the comments. And that's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and let me know how I can improve my videos in the future. Thank you guys.